We were trying to find a beautiful slot canyon called Maggie's Canyon, but instead we ended up on some terrifying cliff. We ended up going in the wrong direction and even took a wrong turn going the wrong direction. It was too far for us to just turn around, so we decided to head to another trail that was in Lake Havasu. So we decided on another trail we're going to go check out Bison Falls. So Bison Waterfall turned out to be a massive rock wall. I had walked up to the top of it, and the road up the top continued, so we decided to drive up there due to my wife's broken leg. We then encountered some problems. We thought we had the situation handled, but we were still having difficulty with the shift diff on this car. Finally made it over that little obstacle. Decided to try to go further down the wash, but kept having problems, and daylight was running out on us, so decided to turn around and head on back. I don't know if you can quite get the gist of how close we were to this cliff as we drove. This is probably one of the most terrifying experiences we've had so far with this car. It got super tilty, and it felt like the car was just going to tumble over the cliff. Sorry for the super shaky camera action going on here. This is a very intense moment for us. But fortunately, we were able to come out of this unscathed and on our way back to Lake Havasu. So thanks guys for tuning in and watching. Hope to catch you on the next one.